welcome to Foshan Autom packaging machinery. Today we are going to test 500 grams of powder on this ATM-320C, economical, multifunctional, and easy to operate. It is customized the nitrogen gas filling device on this machine. Let me run the machine to show you how it works. Look at this part. It is the touchscreen control system. We are setting the back length here and other parameters here. Okay, let me run the machine. Okay, I'll stop the machine first. Let's check the weight. Let's check the bag shape. The end sealings of the bag, the mid sealings of the bag, here is the printing result. If you are interested in this packing machine, just find us at this website or WhatsApp. Thanks for watching my video today. Bye.